Ah. Ang batang hindi pa ulit natutulog. Nagdidi-didi pa kasi yan. Kasi si mami nagpa-plancha yan tapos nagdidi-didi ang bata. Kaya hindi pa tapos si mami magplancha. Ang batang makulit ngayon. Magaling yan magdrama-drama. Matulog ka na nga. Didi! Ha? Didi ka, didi mo lang. Didi mo lang. Didi ka na naman. Ha? Didi ka na naman. Ha? Didi ka na naman. Ikaw ha? Naloka mo si mami ha? Kiting 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 kiring kiting kiting kiting. Kiring kiting kiting si Ethan. Si Ethan na madrama. Best actor po yan. Ang dami na po ng ngipin yan. Where is your nose? Very good. Where is your head? Where's your head? Where's your head? Touch head. Very good. Where are your ears? Very good. Where's your mouth? Mouth? No, that's not a mouth. Which mouth? Mouth. Very good. Where are your eyes? Eyes. Very good, baby. Where is your tongue? Tongue. Tummy yan, anak eh. Get ka, ang tongue. Very good. Where's your tummy? Where's your tummy? Tummy. Where's your tummy? Oh, hindi na? Tama na? It's your tummy, oh. Where's your hands? Hands. Very good. Where are your feet? Very good. Yay! Done na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ethan. Kita pangil.